Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all present here. I'm extremely elated and privileged to welcome you all once again. Let me share a brief introduction about our two conveners and one coordinator for our FTP program. Let's see about them one by one. First, let me introduce Dr. S. Kutirani ma'am. She is a professor and dean of the School of Physical and Chemical Sciences at B.S. Abdur Rahman Present Institute of Science and Technology, which is deemed to be a university. She has completed her bachelor's, master's and MPhil degrees in chemistry from the University of Madras. She completed her B.Ed education at Annamalai University. She pursued her MBA degree in education management from Azhagappa University. She gained her PhD in catalysis and kinetics from Anna University. She started her career as a lecturer in the year 1991 at the Department of Chemistry, B.S. Abdur Rahman Present Institute of Science and Technology. She has become the Dean of the School of Physical and Chemical Sciences since 2015. She has published several research articles in high impact factor national and international journals. Her research areas include catalysis and kinetics, synthesis and characterization of Schiff-based complexes, and synthesis and characterization of polyoxymetalates. Under her supervision, many students have completed their PhD. She is currently guiding 12 MPhil scholars and 6 PhD scholars for their doctorates. Now, let us see about our second convener, Dr. D. Ishamurthy sir. Dr. D. Ishamurthy sir is currently a professor and head of the Department of Chemistry at B.S. Abdur Rahman Present Institute of Science and Technology, which is deemed to be a university. He completed his PhD from Madurai Kamaraj University. He worked as a postdoctoral fellow at National Sun Yat-sen University, Taiwan from 1998 to July 1999. He was awarded Young Scientist Fellow by Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. He received Brainpool Scientist Award from South Korea. He was also awarded Summer Research Fellowship by Indian Science Academy. His areas of research interest include coordination complexes, catalysis, solar cells, etc. Under his supervision, many students have completed their PhD. He is currently guiding several PhD scholars and master students. He has published several research articles in high impact factor national and international journal. Now, let us hear about the coordinator of our FTP program, Dr. N. Vasimalai sir. Dr. N. Vasimalai sir is now working as an assistant professor, selection grade at the Department of Chemistry, B.S. Abdur Rahman Present Institute of Science and Technology, which is deemed to be a university. He has completed his bachelor's and master's degrees in chemistry from Vivekananda College, Madurai. He received Best Student Award for both the degree period. He completed his MPhil and PhD degrees from Gandhigram Rural University, Dindigul, under the guidance of Professor Abraham John. During his PhD, he has received UGC JRF and CSIR SRF fellowships from Government of India. After the completion of PhD degree, he worked as postdoctoral fellow at the National Cheng Keng University, Taiwan. Then he received globally renowned Marie Curie Fellowship in Europe and worked at the International Iberian Nanotechnology Laboratory, Portugal from 2015 to 2018. He has published more than 30 research articles in high impact factor international journals and has authored 4 book chapters. One of his articles has been highlighted in Nature India. The main highlight is he is the first author or corresponding author of all his publications. Now he is guiding 4 PhD students and several master students. Moreover, he is a PhD co-supervisor of Malaysian student in University of Mara, Malaysia. He is an editor of Mayfeb Journal of Chemistry, Canada and reviewer of ACS, RSC, Elsevier, Springer and Wiley journals. He has delivered several talks in national and international institutions. His field of specialization has been focused on the synthesis and characterization of fluorescent metal and metal oxide nanoparticles and the biosensors and biomedical application. Recently, he has developed a technology for 1-minute synthesis of highly fluorescent copper nanocluster and developed a smartphone-aided paper-based kit for on-site monitoring of bio and toxic chemicals. He has a research collaboration with several countries including Portugal, USA, Germany, Spain, Malaysia, Japan, Taiwan and Australia. So that's all. Unity is strength. Alone we can do little, but together we can do so much. The work team suggests that together everyone achieves more. Yes, behind every successful event there exists an unseen combined team effort performed by a group of dedicated people behind the scenes. But we don't want them to be behind the scenes anymore. Let's look on to them. They are the research scholars involved in the student committee. Mr. M. Chandru, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. S. Puttirani Ma'am, Professor and Dean School of Physical and Chemical Sciences. Mr. V. Hari, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. Revati Purushothaman Ma'am, Associate Professor. Mrs. T. Lakshmi, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. Noorahman Sir, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade. Mr. M. Marudupandi, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. N. Basimalai Sir, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade. Mrs. J. Immaculate Mercy, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. N. Basimalai Sir, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade. Ms. F. Aisha Begum, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. S. Bhagavati, Associate Professor. Mr. S. Gokuleshwaran, doing PhD under the guidance of Dr. N. Basimalai Sir, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade. They are our second MSc students involved in the committee. Mr. K. Venkatramanan, Mr. R. Abhilash, Mr. P. Gunasegaran, Mr. V. Venkatesan, Ms. K. Samira Khatun, Ms. Archana, Ms. J. Nishat Begum, Mr. Mohammad Ibrahim, Mr. M. A. Ashkar, Ms. G. Renita Mary, and Ms. Khatija Sahiba Jahed. Thank you one and all for your unflinching support.